However, I want to bring to your notice that one of us has made us very proud in this Senate and in the country, and I think it deserves applause. I don't know how the Senate is going to do that, but anytime it's in the country, we'll give him the opportunity to enter this hallowed chamber and to take a bow. Distinguished Senator Jimoh Ibrahim was yesterday elected as the chairman of the United Nations Committee on Budget Appropriation for another YAI for 193 countries in the world. So now controlling a budget of over $18.5 billion. I think this great responsibility must not go unnoticed. So on behalf of the Senate of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, I want to extend our congratulations first to the President, who was able to fish out a square peg in a square hole, and also congratulate distinguished Senator Jimoh Ibrahim for his election as the chairman of that committee on budget and appropriation of the world body in such a short time, within a few weeks of assumption of duties as Nigeria's permanent representative in the United Nations. So congratulations to him, and I do know that one day we'll have an opportunity for him to visit us and to come, and we give him a privilege, being one of us, to give us maybe 2-3 minutes of his experience so far. He has started well, and may God guide him and grant him more wisdom to continue to bring pride to Nigeria, to Africa, and to the black race in general. Thank you, gentlemen. Yes, leader of the Senate.